Wired connection between streetlights and smart panel is given in 3 different phases. Group controller with attached SIM card communicates through GSM network with web softwares as well as mobile app. In the night, after the fixed time, 1 phase out of 3 will be turned off to save the energy. Day-wise rotation of this staggering phases also can be done. When the sun sets down, streetlights turn on as per IoT-based smart astronomical scheduling, and when the sun rises, streetlights turn off.